Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by St. Paul Lutheran Church in beautiful downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music and Organist at the church. On Sunday, July 4th, that's right, July 4th, doesn't happen that often, but this Sunday is going to fall on July 4th. We're going to be doing a lot of patriotic music emphasizing peace on earth. We're going to open the worship service with Susie Scholl signing the words to I Will Heal Their Land. If my people will humble themselves and pray, I will heal their land. It's a beautiful way to begin the service. Then our opening hymn is going to be My Country 'Tis of Thee. Then there's going to be a special song, which is the one I want to talk about today. And it's based on Irving Berlin's God Bless America. We're going to be singing 4 verses of it. The first and the fourth are the same, and that's the ones you know. The second and third verses were written by Dr. Fred Musser. He was the former president of Trinity Lutheran Seminary in Columbus, Ohio. Irving Berlin, back in 1918, over 100 years ago, when he was in the Army and stationed on Long Island, he was writing some music for a little skit they were doing, and he penned this song called God Bless America. He thought, it's a little soupy, so I'm just going to put it away for now. And it wasn't until 20 years later, around 1938, in fact, definitely in 1938, when a woman by the name of Kate Smith, now some of you may know these names I'm talking about right off the bat, got the music and was going to do it on her national program that evening. She got the permission to change words around, and she did, and she sang it for the very first time that evening. Some of the words that she changed that maybe you didn't know about, let me get them up for you. The original text, now remember he was in the Army when he wrote this. God bless America, land that I love, stand beside her and guide her to the right with the light from above. The right was a political statement. Make her victorious on land and foam. God bless America, home sweet home. Of course, Kate Smith changed the words to a more peace-loving song, and that's the one that every school child has learned to sing by memory since then. We're going to be doing it Sunday. We're doing 4 verses. The first and the fourth are going to be the familiar words that you know. I would like you to pay special attention to verses 2 and 3, as they have to do with peace on earth, because following this number and after a prayer, members of our chancel choir or our Dell choir are going to sing Let There Be Peace on Earth. So to end today, I would like to invite you to join us on Sunday morning at 9:30, either on Facebook, YouTube, or live. Thank you for listening.